In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unvoid invoice in Xero. If you voided an invoice by mistake, Xero doesn't let you unvoid it directly. The practical fix is to recreate it by copying the voided invoice to a new draft. I'll guide you through that process clearly so you can get the invoice back into your workflow with minimal fuss. Start by signing into your Xero account and heading to your Invoices list. You can get there from the main menu by choosing the invoicing area for sales. Once you're on the list page, we need to make sure voided invoices are visible. Open the search or filter panel and adjust the filters so they include deleted and voided items. If there's a date range filter, set it to show any date, or a range that covers when the original invoice was created. Apply the filters so the list refreshes. Next, use the search field to find the exact invoice you need. You can look it up by contact, invoice number, reference, or amount. When the results appear, locate the one marked as voided and click it to open. Take a moment on this page to confirm you've got the right record. Check the contact name, line items, quantities, prices, tax treatment, and any references or notes. This quick review helps you avoid recreating the wrong invoice. Now for the key step. On the voided invoice screen, choose the option to Copy to Draft Invoice. Xero will create a brand new draft populated with the same details as the original without changing the voided invoice itself. Think of this as a safe duplicate you can edit and move forward with. In the new draft, carefully review every field. Confirm the contact, line items, account codes, tax rates, and totals. Pay special attention to the invoice date and due date. If your accounting period is closed, you may want to use an appropriate current date rather than the original one, in line with your internal policies. If there were shipping notes, references, or tracking categories on the original, make sure they carried over correctly. This is also a good time to ensure there aren't any duplicate invoices for the same work. Once everything looks right, the recreated draft is ready for your normal approval process. Keep your audit trail tidy by adding a brief note in the description or reference field indicating this draft replaces a previously voided invoice. That's it. You navigated to your invoices, filtered to include voided items, opened the voided invoice, and copied it to a draft so you can proceed. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get back on track quickly.